How to pin and unpin posts on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, simply tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now you can see all the posts over here that you have done over the period of time. Now if you want to pin certain posts, what you can simply do is make a long press on the pin or the post, or you can simply tap on the post over here and tap on three dotted lines at the top right corner. Now you can see this option of pin to your main create at the bottom of the screen, so you can simply select on that option. Now as you do that, it will be available at the very first option over here on your post, and you can also see the pin icon. Now if you want to unpin this post on Instagram, simply tap on the post again, tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner and select on unpin from main create. So let's do that process, and there you go. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.